This is the premises of the Lagos High Court, Ikeja. It's witnessing an unusually large presence of security officials and an even larger crowd of onlookers. The first defendant, Chukwudumeme Onwamadike, popularly known as Evans, is arguably the most talked about suspect in recent times. Before Justice Akim Oshodi, he and 5 others are facing a 2-count charge of conspiracy and kidnapping of one Dunu Donatus. When the charges were read to the alleged mastermind, Evans, at the last sitting of the court on August 30th, he pleaded guilty. His counsel immediately went on record to say that his client had been coerced into making a guilty plea.
You could have made the plea of guilty out of duress. You could have made the plea of guilty after being brainwashed by the people you know.
At these fresh proceedings, expectations were therefore divided. Would Evans maintain his guilty plea, or would he change it? The Lagos State government has substituted the previous charges with an amended one. The only difference in the 2 charges is that the punishment section in relation to count 2 has been amended from section 271 subsection 3 of the Criminal Laws of Lagos State 2015 to section 2 subsection 1 of the Kidnapping Prohibition Law of Lagos State 2017. The Director of Public Prosecution, DPP Lagos, Titilayo Shitabe, told the court that this amendment was done pursuant to section 155 subsection 1 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Law of Lagos 2015. Now, the DPP Lagos has declined to comment on the proceedings, but a counsel in her team who spoke to Channels Television off camera says that with the previous charges, the defendant could have earned 25 years jail term upon conviction. But with the amended charges, the defendant will get life imprisonment if convicted. Counsel to Evans, however, objected to the amended charges being read to the defendant. He tells the judge that he has only just been served a copy of the amendment in court minutes before the sitting, and he would require a short adjournment to enable him confer with his clients, the first and second defendants, on how to proceed. Justice Oshodi is firm. He rules that the lawyers will be given 45 minutes to confer with their clients, after which he stands down the trial.
They have seen the handwriting on the wall that the earlier charge they filed is bound to fail. That's why they have gone ahead to amend the charge.
When the court reconvenes at 11:45 a.m., the charges are read to the 6 defendants, and one after the other, they all pleaded not guilty. It's a defining moment, especially because 3 of the defendants have changed their plea. The DPP swiftly tells the court that the state is ready to proceed with trial and has in fact brought 3 of its witnesses to court. This sparked another round of objections. But in the end, Justice Oshodi acceded to the request for an adjournment to specifically allow the new defense lawyers familiarize themselves with the case. Trial has been fixed for the 3rd of November. Shola Shoyeli, Channels Television News.